Hello guys, this is me bounty hunting players in blox fruits for bounty. Some of them were really annoying to kill and some were just really easy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and like and subscribe if are seeing this. So I am going to roll in the video, enjoy. These players really want to get their bounty back bruh, and I got so much bounty from them lol. IMA get my V4 on to get these players. My guy is running from his own death bruh. Just accept defeat man. Though his combat was off. I just got like 20,000 bounty for these guys. This magma filth brah and venom user are teaming on me brah. Is that a hacker? This guy is running lol. Damn, he became Zorro. Found him lol bro is hiding from death. This is the end of the video, sadly, so if you liked it drop a sub and like and join the Discord server. If anyone comments about what they want me to do next, I'll gladly accept. Bye.